I like trains.
Hello everyone, we are here at the Barnesville Station at night. A little bit of snow on the ground. Take a look, way down we got a light. Yep, there it is. This is I-136 intermodal with CSX 4720 in the lead. We are one. And special thanks to David for providing the light. Should be a good shot. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Guess like right. Yeah, this will be good. Well, I don't know. There we go. I'll back up here. That works. I said I wasn't going to catch this, and well, it got held up in Brunswick and the roads got better, so yay! CSX 4720. Ironically, excuse me, 2024, I caught 4720 in Dawson, PA, leading a loaded coal. But it was in a normal CSX scheme. So, pretty cool. No horn, but that's okay. I don't really care about that. Happy to get a shot. With Old Main Productions as well. Yeah, this is I-136 eastbound to Portsmouth, Virginia. Originates in Chicago. And I-136 actually works Brunswick and recruise. That's why it took a long time to get down here, but hey, we benefited from it, so it's all good. Locomotive double stacks. Mediterranean Shipping Company. That's what MSC, Maersk. This is foreign stacks. The Z Factor. I-135 and I-136 have these. And then, well, we used to have I-137 and I-138. They would have the domestic stacks, like the CSX, JB Hunt, Swift. I need to go in the Capital sub now that the tunnel's back. I-031, I-032, having the double stacks. This train is not struggling because it's a lighter train. If this was like a loaded coal or a manifest, it would definitely take a while. Yeah, he got over it, which means he's going to be flying about 55 going down. If the Germans out. This is literally the Mets version of East Plain. Although this is steeper than East Plain. It is cold. It looks like it might be the end. Yep. There it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day wherever you may be. It's the Old Man Guy signing off.